Triple digits again today?
Yeah, we're going to be really close. I mean, if we say just a hair below, it's only because of this first headline. We have a very slight rain chance today, about a 20% chance of that isolated shower. An isolated thunderstorm. Today is the official summer solstice, the beginning of summer, even though, boy, if it didn't feel like it yesterday, I don't know what does. 102, that was our high yesterday. Today, some of our feels like temperatures could be as high as 108, and we are going to be dealing with this dangerous heat right through the upcoming weekend. Temperatures, if anything, will really knock up just about a notch or two come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This morning we are dry across the board here on the radar. Maybe a few offshore spotty showers. Okay, Richwood, good morning. There's Angleton, so not out of the question. Maybe Brazoria, Galveston County, you could tap into an isolated shower. Otherwise, the best chance will be with a little sea breeze later this afternoon, especially between about 2 to 5 o'clock. That's when some of that can interact with the daytime heating. Monsoonal season, this is riding right around that big ridge of high pressure. That's why above average rainfall is expected to continue even over the next 6 to 10 days for the desert Southwest. Here locally, we stay dry. We also stay above average with our temperatures. Take a look at the timeline from June 27th through July 1st. This heat does not look like it's going to back down. So speaking of, this heat dome builds back over the state of Texas for the rest of the week, even trending for the weekend. Notice how temperatures climb to as high as about 102 to 103. This morning, actual air temperatures in the 70s and 80s. It feels like temperatures, though, in the 80s and 90s, and that's where that borderline dangerous heat can come into play, just because our recovery overnight isn't that great either. So today I actually have as a high of 99, 100 there for tomorrow, and then notice triple digits right through the weekend with temperatures Saturday for Pride. If anybody's planning to head out to downtown for the parade, make sure you're staying hydrated out there. That's really the key to the forecast over about the next 7 to 10 days. Well, our J-Ray is off this morning, so let's bring in Christina Cruz. How are we looking out there this morning, Christina?
Well, sometimes in the wee hours of the morning, we have absolutely nothing going on. And then just like that, we have an end of a police chase that just happened on the East Tex Freeway. So you can see the flashing lights on the feeder road. This is where it's come to a halt. I'm sure that they shut it down. We're going to try to find out by Transtar. This is northbound at Rankin, not really causing any kind of major delays on the main lanes, but they did strike another vehicle. So we're going to see what's happening. There's another police vehicle there that's showing up on the scene. So expect some delays definitely on the feeder road. We'll get you more information as we get it. Back to you in the studios.
All right, we know you will, Christina. Thank you. 444 now coming up. If spiking gas prices have you thinking of trading in your car for an electric vehicle, there's good news. The plan to make it a lot easier to recharge your ride. Plus, the high schooler who caught this Astros home run ball makes one heck of a deal to get it back to the player who hit it.